Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, tap here, go to the settings, then select block numbers. You can block all of the unknown and private numbers, and you can add number on by your own. You can just enter number which is bothering you and then tap on the plus icon, and after that this number will never reach you again. Or you can just go to recent or contacts and select this number there and block it like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.